Look, we got sandwiches being made back there. I'm gonna get a chopped steak and cheese. Look at this, man. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, let's check that out. Oh yeah, we getting that, y'all. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're still in Newark, baby. Newark, New Jersey. I'm here off of Park Avenue. And yo, it's still cold out here, man. It's about 40 degrees, but we're gonna go over right there behind me. See the food market back there? Uh-oh, the food market, can you see it? We're going to that food market, and it was suggested by Keith Davidson to come over here. I'm going in there to get a, just from what he showed, he showed me some pictures. I'm going in there to get a chopped steak and cheese right over there in that spot right there. I don't know what the name is. The food market over here on Park Ave. What's the next street here? Park Ave and Ridge Street. Park Ave and Ridge Street, y'all. Let's go in and check this spot out. We in the north side of Newark, y'all. This is north of Newark. Thank you. No, I got it. Thank you. Yo, it's packed in here, yo. It's packed in this store. Ooh. Look, we got sandwiches being made back there. Yo, we gonna get something in here, yo. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, man. My man, thank you. We about to get a sandwich. I'm gonna get a chopped steak and cheese. You got peppers on it?
Yeah.
Chopped steak and cheese, peppers. What else should I get? Peppers and onions. And fries. Oh, yeah, I heard about your fries. Give me the chopped steak and cheese, pepper, onions, and the fries. Yes, sir.
Onion fries.
Yep. Give me an American. That's a good choice.
Mozzarella, pepper jack.
Oh, let's try the pepper jack. Let's do pepper jack.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We about to go over to the truck. We going over to the pickup truck to get our eat on. Going to the pickup truck to get our eat on, y'all. There goes New York City right there. New York, I could walk there in 10 minutes. I'm just kidding. We here on Park Ave, man. We just came from the bodega at suggestion of Keith Davidson. And this is his wife. I ran into his wife outside, Angela. Yo, y'all stay tuned. I am so grateful for our subscribers. Thanks for subscribing, Angela. And we'll see you later.
Love the show. Love you. Great job.
We're going to eat now.
Yeah, enjoy.
Yo, man, one thing is for sure is Newark definitely has its hidden gems, man. There are a lot of hidden gems, man. We about to go into this sandwich, y'all. Let's open this sandwich up, see what's going on up in here. Oh my goodness, look. already. Man, that place was packed. People were coming in and out. Look at this, man. Look at that right there. You know what? I might even add, look at that chopped steak in there. You got the onions, you got the peppers there. I got the mayo on there. I got the tomatoes, man. Let's go into this sandwich and check it out. What's going on, family? We're out here again on the pickup truck. What's going on? Wind is blowing. Let's dig into this sandwich, man. Hold up. Take half of it out here. Look at this, man. I'm gonna fold this up so it don't blow away. Oh my goodness, the napkins are blowing away. I gotta get them napkins. I gotta get these napkins, y'all. Y'all can't see me. Enjoy the view. All right, here we go. Napkins in the pocket this time. Look at this, man. Look at this sandwich. Look, right from over there. We got it from across the street. Look at that sandwich. Look. Let's open it up. Let's do this right here. Look at that, man. Look at that. Did I say look at that? All right, it's got the French fries on it too. See them French fries there? Hold up. Right off the bat, right? I taste the sweet peppers and I taste the freshness of the bread. You got them onions in there, man. It tastes like sweet onions. One thing I want on it, I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. Yo, we got some hidden gems, y'all. Here in Newark, New Jersey, you ain't gotta go to Brooklyn, you ain't gotta go to Philly, which I'm gonna be going to Brooklyn and Philly. I just added some ketchup to that deliciousness right there. I got the ketchup on that deliciousness. I think I just bit off more than I could chew. Okay. I don't know what it is that's tasting hot and spicy like that, but it's delicious. Look at it, it's pressed too. They pressed that joker, heated it up, chopped that steak up. I'm just gonna pull this green pepper. I see that green pepper right there, can you see it? I see that green pepper, I'm gonna just pull that out. That tastes like a jalapeno. Man. I'm glad they put that there. See that sandwich? I can eat off the blanket. I'm gonna pull one of these fries, a piece of, wow, I like that. They are. Big shout out once again to Keith Davidson. He said, make sure you get the fries. I had forgot about that. The guy said, get fries on it. Look at the fries, man. These are real French fries. I don't want to waste these peppers. Let's tip this up a little bit. Just a little bit. Slide that back. We've discovered another gym. We're in the north side of Newark, right here off of Park Ave, right above Clifton Ave. I keep forgetting the name of this street right here. It's Ridge Street. It says it right up on the sign. Ridge Street. Ridge Street and Park Avenue in Newark, New Jersey. Right over there, the food market, Park Ave Food Market, 106, 105 Park Avenue. Look, while I was in there, I probably was in there 10 minutes tops. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I seen like 7 sandwiches go out before me. That's that rapid making of sandwiches. And I always account that to things being fresh. But that bread, man, look at that bread. That bread is really fresh. It tastes fresh, it looks fresh, it smells fresh. Oh, hold up. I went to pay. This is the second time this has happened, y'all. I went to pay, and the guy just shook my hand, man, and was like, yo, enjoy the sandwich. Yo, I was really grateful for that, humble. He told me come back for the Cuban sandwich. I'm coming back, man. And he subscribed to the channel. I didn't even get his name. That place has been here for over 35 years. I want to say 38. I think he said 38. He didn't want to go on camera. He didn't want to be on camera doing the interview, but mad respect. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. But you are with the right cat now. I love you, cats. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for those who give a little extra by hitting the $ thanks button. If you don't see the $ thanks button there, you'll see 3 little dots. Hit that, and the button is hiding in there. Thanks for your support. Shout out to our patrons. Shout out to Harry. Shout out to Baird. Shout out to Jeffers Girl. We appreciate you guys. You guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Peace. I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna tell y'all what the problem is. The problem is that y'all thought this was a game. Yo, we out here, man. And that sandwich, man, I had that chopped steak and cheese. It had that pepper jack cheese on it, them onions and them peppers. It was delicious. My gimbal's kind of leaning to the side. It was delicious. We're gonna fix this though real quick. There we go. We're gonna fix that real quick. It was delicious, man, and I said that I might get some dessert. Still working with my gimbal, y'all. I said I might get some dessert, so check this place. Check out this place I just pulled up on. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Look behind me. Y'all thought this was a game. I'm back, man. We've been here before, and y'all know my favorite dessert. I know some of y'all like sweet potato pie. Peach cobbler, yeah, those are my favorites too. It's not good, look. Look at that, oh my goodness. I smell sour cream, sweet butter, toffee, deliciousness. Look at these cakes, y'all. Look at that, y'all thought this was a game. Okay, let's do a dessert meetup. All right, well y'all bring desserts. Look at this, man. Is this fake? This looks fake right here. Look at this, man. I'm about to buy me a whole cheesecake. I shouldn't have came in here, man. I knew I shouldn't have came in here. This is a darn shame. Y'all thought I was gonna say damn shame, didn't you? I just want a slice of cheesecake. Goodness. How much the whole cheesecake? How much the whole one? The
big one,
$24 for the small, but it's not that big, right?
Yeah, it's not so the medium size, like for
And
6 people.
about for 6 people.
Yeah.
And these are 4.
Yeah.
I should get a whole cheesecake. Get the whole cheesecake. I'm getting this man. They said get the whole cheesecake. We getting the whole cheesecake. Thank you. Out today. I'm gonna get the plain. That's $24, right? Oh yeah, let's check that out. Oh yeah, we getting that, y'all. Okay, y'all. I took that cheesecake to my kids, man, and I shared it with their mother and Zach and Zoe, my younger kids, because I eat that whole box of cheesecake, man. You seen that box? I would eat that whole box and be sitting here miserable. That's still a big hefty piece, man. That's a big hefty piece right there. So I went into it a little bit, man. I did it short, but I just wanted to do this. Look at this cheesecake, man. Let's just dig right into there. Looks nice and creamy. I got that top light on them. Nice and creamy. I just love cheesecake, man. I am a lover of cheesecake. I'm eating that off the floor. Let's do this again. One of y'all made that fall, man. Y'all was staring at it so hard. You know how you used to like drop some food and be like, yo, you was staring at my food and you made it drop. Who was staring that hard at the food? This is my floor, man, and it's clean. I keep my spot clean most of the time. Look at this, man. We will not be dropping that one. Y'all know it's creamy and delicious. I'm about to sit in my chair. I'm gonna get a nice, tall, cold glass of milk. And do my foodies understand that? I'm getting milk and put it in. It's gonna be a. All right, y'all. I'm out. Y'all acting silly, man. This is Matt DV. Love you, cats. Peace.